Hello बच्चों, so let's read this question. For the reaction N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3, the units of Kc and Kp respectively are A. Mole inverse square, liter square and bar inverse square. B. Mole inverse square, liter square and bar inverse. C. Mole inverse liter and bar inverse square. D. Mole inverse, liter inverse and bar inverse. Now let us see the key concept of the question. Key concept of this question will be, for a given chemical reaction, suppose हमें chemical reaction दे रखी है AA plus BB gives CC plus DD and this chemical reaction is in equilibrium. तो हमारी Kc will be equal to C to the power C into D to the power D divided by A to the power A into B to the power B. Now if we find out the units of Kc, we know that units of Kc is mole, liter, inverse to the power delta N, and units of Kp is bar to the power delta N, where delta N is the difference between the total number of moles in product and reactant side. Now, if we look into the chemical reaction that has been given to us, हमें chemical reaction दे रखा है N2 plus 3H2 gives 2NH3. तो अगर हम इसमें देखें number of moles in reactant side, which we will represent by NR, it is 1 plus 3, which is equals to 4. And if we see number of moles in product side, it is, we will represent it by NP and it is 2. तो अगर हम डेल्टा n की वैल्यू निकालें, our delta n will be 4 minus 2 minus 4, क्योंकि number of moles in product minus number of moles in reactant side, which will be equal to minus 2. So let us put the value of delta n into the units of Kc. Kc की units हमारी हैं, we know it is mole, liter inverse. तो हम delta n की अगर वैल्यू रखते हैं यहाँ पे -2, तो हमारा हो जाएगा mole to the power -2 and liter to the power 2. And if we want to find out the value of Kp की हमारी units हैं bar to the power delta n, which will be equal to bar to the power -2. अगर हम इधर रख दें तो it will be bar to the power -2. Now if you want to see the final statement, it will be the units of Kp and Kc are bar to the power -2 and mole to the power -2 liter square respectively. So this is the final answer to the question. Let us mark it in the options also. अगर हम options में देखें तो हमारा option number 1 will be the right answer to the question. I hope you understood the explanation well. Best of luck.